What's the game plan?
Hey everyone, how's everyone doing out there? Getting ready to start taking the intake manifold off in the throttle body. Get ready to put the new MSD and the K-Tech 103 millimeter throttle body on, and you know, kind of update you guys on that a little bit as we're doing the process. I'm going to have Ash help me do a lot of the work. I hope everybody's doing okay. We're going to start on this process a little bit today and get some of the things removed. That way, at the end of this week, I can data log it a little bit and get the, revise the tune a little bit. So, thank you everybody for joining us. First of all, anyway, we grab the camera. We grab the camera. Hi guys. Hey. Ah, there she is. You gonna help?
Yeah.
You gonna help?
Yeah.
Are we gonna help me?
Yeah.
So guys, here's where we're at. This is what it looks like right now. Got the headers on. I don't know if you can see them down in there. Speed Engineering headers. Got them wrapped. So. Oh my my's. Oh my my's, Ashley Gilbert.
Have I been in a pain in your butt today?
Have you been a pain in my butt?
Yeah, today.
Well, what happens if I answer that? I get beat up?
I don't know. I want you to. You're not. That's not answering.
No, not pains in my butt. No. So what are you gonna do with this? You're gonna take this. You're gonna port it and hydroplane it. Hydro dips it.
I guess I could.
I wonder if you
It's
took
kind of
this.
ugly.
I know. I was wondering if you took it and kind of sanded it smooth, these ridges off.
Wow. Something just bit me.
What?
Something bit me.
Yeah, I was getting bit by thumping.
I know.
One thing, that manifold looks a hell of a lot smaller than the MSD one.
I think this needs to be yellow.
I was thinking about painting the whole thing yellow and then the lettering in black. What do you think?
I don't know.
Hard figuring this out.
Okay. Bugs keep getting on me. I don't like it. Look at the baby.
No problem here, guys. I get mad. I don't understand why it's not.
That throttle body looks so small. It almost looks like the same one in my car. What size is it?
I think its stock is 87.
Yeah, that's like the same as a V6 Mustang. That's pretty sad.
87 or 89. I gotta be honest, I don't know.
Chevy needs to pick it up with their stock stuff.
I know this. The Ford one on my Mustang GT wasn't much. I don't know how big that was either. It wasn't very big either.
Yay, modding.
So, stopping now.
Look at you looking all cute with your hat turned around and your hair sticking out of the top. I like that look. What are you trying to do?
There we go. Couldn't get the clip, man, was on. Couldn't get it to.
What you got?
Look what I found.
You got the baby? How are you gonna do all of this without telling me about this mod? When
What I
you...
need for you to do is you're probably gonna have to help me. Guys, she's gonna have to sign off for a second.
Yeah, you deflection.
No, I seriously, I'm gonna need your help.
With what?
Can you turn that off? Be right back, guys. Yes, guys. She's doing it. There she is. Manifold is off. Definitely be getting a oil catch can, I think, very, very soon.
You said you're done till next year.
No.
No?
I can see oil build up, and I'll show you when you get a chance. Same thing I noticed when I took the intake off of the Mustang. Custom painted MSD Atomic Airforce manifold. K-Tech 103 millimeter throttle body. Ashley smelling her fingers.
I like the smell of the oil.
That's why you need a oil catch can, man. You see the oil you feel on your fingers? That should be, it's...
Well, you know, Santa's coming.
Santa's coming.
Stop being bad. Are you excited?
Yeah, this is going to be not so easy right here. Nope, no bite. Oh, there it is.
Biting's bad.
Biting is bad. That's going to be way too...
You gotta just get them all back in.
I just want to start them at least, and then I got to torque them.
To 75.
75, I believe. Just get one at least started a little bit.
It's funny because you said you were gonna
You're gonna torque
make me do everything, and then you did it all. Because
Well,
that's what you do. You take over.
No. So what are you gonna do?
Torque
Are you gonna torque it?
it. Yeah.
Sets of keep going. You'll feel it, babe.
I guess I do need to hold it down there. I was in the kitchen.
You was in the kitchens?
Yeah.
You was making pierogies? This guys. So what's the final torque's got to be in each one of these bolts?
89.
Did you feel it, or did you hear it? No. Okay. Feel it?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
No, that. It's this one. Right?
I'm gonna let you.
Why
guys,
am I not trying to do nothing else wrong?
I'm gonna let you do it, man. This is if stop and take a look. What if you're looking at the manifold from the other way? There you go. You're right.
Let's just not talk about number one.
Yeah, Ash got a good quick learning on between foot pounds and inch pounds. Yeah, she's all right.
thought you said I'm right.
You were right. Well, I realized that the stock throttle body is so big. Yeah, that bit right there. Thank you, baby.
After all that time we spent with that last night.
I know. Oh my God.
At least it's a little stretched out now. Like, to that size. I'm just gonna need to shove it in.
I think you might have to go this route first.
There, easy as pie.
All right. Just go like this. Get this on. Get this out of the way. Yeah. Let me see. You go from stock throttle body to K-Tech 103. Hopefully these are big enough. I didn't think of that neither.
Huh.
There you go, again, not thinking, Sapina. Just in that quest for that horsepower. All right, everyone. Here is the MSD Atomic Airforce manifold on. With the help of Ashley, we have the K-Tech 103 throttle body on. The manifold was custom painted and imported by me. You know, guys, I know we're not like the most how you want to say it, like showing all the details, but the intake was easy to install. Nothing hard at all. She looks really good. Tune is uploaded, a little more data logging. So here at Bow Ties and Ponies, give us a big shout out, a like, thumbs up, any comments, questions, you leave them. Subscribe. We love them all here. It doesn't make a difference if you drive a Mustang or a Charger or a Challenger. We love them all here equally. So thank you, everyone, and have a great, great day.